What's going on, guys? Miguel with Purple Flare Wraps. Just want to take a moment to welcome you guys back to our shop. We're in the back of the shop, moving cars out to get the day started. He's going to show you guys around, tell you a little bit about us, what we do, and show you our work. So I'm going to start with this Tesla that's coming out. Why is this coming out? This Tesla is a Model X. It had a wrap on there. It was 3 years old. Actually, it was pretty burned because the customer had decided on one of those Chinese brands of wrap, which they're amazing. We use them all the time. They have nice finishes, but they are going to last 2 to 3 years in this Vegas heat. So we took it out, and as you can see, the paint is in excellent shape. And then I'm gonna go around the shop and show you everything we got going on, from commercial to paint protection film to telling you why you shouldn't choose certain shops and why you shouldn't choose us for some things. So right here, I'll start with this Lamborghini Temerario. It has a full body paint protection film, stealth matte PPF. This car came with a matte paint. This is the main reason I always tell people not to purchase a matte paint from the dealership. They look phenomenal. You are gonna pay 20, 30, 15,000 on top of the cost of the car, and you are gonna get a lot of imperfections. So this car is actually here to get stripped and get a redo of the PPF. Let me see if I can get it to focus right here. So we're gonna redo the paint protection film on this car due to this. Now we're gonna do black color PPF, and this is where I'm going with this. This is imperfection on the paint. This is heavy orange peel, heavy texture on the paint, on the matte paint, which is very, very common. Seen it on Ferraris, seen it on BMWs. Surprisingly, haven't seen it on Kias, which are cheaper. Seen it on Lambos, as you can see here. I mean, if I pull this PPF, and if you see here, I mean, there's dust on top of the surface, but there is no dirt underneath the film from us. The film is flawlessly installed. You can see all the edges are wrapped. By the way, if you're watching this video, go ahead and change the settings to 4K on YouTube so you can really appreciate this. But the edges are wrapped, the quality of the work is there, but you can see this crap because there's texture on the paint. And it's very common. We also had a Lamborghini, the Vuelto yesterday, same story, same deal. $750,000 car with paint imperfections. We got a G-Wagon there with a matte paint job. Surprisingly, Mercedes does good, but it still happens. And the main thing, even if you get a good paint job on these cars, like for your 20,000, for your 30,000, for your upgrade, it would have been cheaper for you to get the gloss black version of the car and then go ahead and pay us or pay another shop, pay somebody to get a matte paint protection film. You will get it to look the same, the finish will look the same, it will be self-healing, and maintaining it will be dramatically easier. You cannot polish, you cannot wet sand, you cannot do a lot of things to matte paint. So any little damage is permanent. Any scratch you get on the car wash is permanent. These things get crazy amount of fingerprints and they just look terrible easily. Now, again, that's enough with the matte paint. I'm gonna show you guys around everything. We're wrapping a motorcycle there, Harley Davidson, going from blue to purple. We're doing a body kit, Bravo's body kit on this G-Wagon, and doing a 3M. First time using our 3M PPF. We are a 3M shop. The 3M PPF is one of the highest priced PPF, color PPF. The 3M color PPF is one of the highest priced color PPF options, and now we can see why. It's an amazing film. It installs phenomenal. The warranty on the 3M PPF is better than any other PPF because it actually also covers some of your labor if you have to replace something. Nevertheless, doing 3M color paint protection film on this G-Wagon, installing a Bravo's body kit and getting it good to go. This car is gonna get pulled out here shortly. We have a full color change wrap on this Mercedes. This Mercedes we had originally 2-3 weeks, not weeks, months ago, done a frontal PPF on it. The customer decided that he wanted to gift his wife this wrap, so we got this wrap. Now, the one thing cool about this wrap is the finish. And I'm not talking just about the quality, but the finish with the lamination. So we picked KPMF Momentum Pink, and then we laminated it with another KPMF glitter, gold glitter laminate on top, which gives you that finish. This is a one-of-one look right now. Obviously, you know, I just gave you guys the recipe. Somebody else can go and do it. You can go do it at another shop. But this customer right now will likely be the only Mercedes of this model in Las Vegas with this combination, because obviously it is something expensive, right? You're merging two films together. You need a shop that, one, has the experience on how to do it, and two, has the equipment to do it. This takes special equipment for us to laminate the film with the laminate, you know, with the laminate on top. Full color change wrap on this Tesla Model Y, ceramic window tint as well. This is Vinyl Frog, one of those Chinese brands, amazing finish, gloss, something purple. So you can see this is a light purple, light, nice looking vehicle, nice looking color, but obviously, you know, from vinyl frog. And then we have the ceramic window tint, 3M ceramic window tint all around. It's gonna give him a lifetime warranty. It's gonna give him heat rejection. It's gonna give him privacy. As you can see, you cannot see through the glass. It's about a 20%, which is why we recommend and what we do the most. Got the truck here with a 2-tone wrap. So we wrap the top half in gloss black. This Audi over there got a full frontal PPF paint correction and ceramic coating. I'm gonna show you the guys that in a minute. Try to get those carbs before he moves them out. So I'm gonna move back that way and work back this way. We got a boat wrap in here. It's getting a full custom wrap. We used to do a lot of boats back when I started the business. Haven't done as many lately, but nevertheless excited to get this project in the shop because of that, because obviously we get to do something we used to do before. And that type of boat, when it's a brand new boat like that, is very easy to do. Got a custom hood wrap on this Camaro. We've worked on this car a few times before. We had done the hood before in a different graphic. We wrapped the roof and some other graphics, and we did a full wrap on the wife's Camaro. And now we did a custom, you know, We the People America wrap on this hood. So we designed this in-house, we printed it obviously, and now we did the installation. There we go. So on the Civic Type R, got a color paint protection film installed. It was a quad films. It looked amazing, it looked phenomenal. Customer, however, came back 2 days later after getting the install and said he didn't like the color he chose. Decided to drop the car back off to us so we could remove the wrap and then re-wrap it. So he's spending a pretty penny on it, but he's gonna get what he wants and he's not gonna settle. And obviously we took care of him on the removal cost, and we are giving him a little bit of a discount on getting it done again. This G-Wagon, as you can see, has a matte finish. It has PPF. This is from one of our body shops. We're replacing. It was already removed and repainted the front bumper and that fender flare on the side there with new PPF, so it can go back to pre-accident, condition. Here we have a few more things. We got this BMW X2 getting a full wrap removal. This wrap was 3 years old. Don't know who did it, don't know the brand. It was a good job, however, it looks good. We are taking it all off and giving it back to black, and the customer is going on with his life. This Corvette is getting a full body 3M 100 series paint protection film plus ceramic tint and ceramic coating on top. Now, this is where I was gonna get when I said I'm gonna tell you guys why not to come to us. Before he pulls this out, I always like to show this because it looks phenomenal, and obviously it's hot right now, the gradients. This is a gradient top to bottom. So we got white on the top, going all the way down to Tiffany blue, powder coated the wheels, white painted, color match the calipers, ceramic coated the whole car, custom door jambs, ceramic tint, stars in the ceiling, the whole nine. And as you can see, the custom door jambs are kind of phenomenal. My battery is running out and I'm 2%, so I'm gonna start to cut this out shortly. One of the reasons I would say not to come to us when it comes to PPF, like on this job, is if you don't want a perfect job, if you want a rush job, if you want a cheap job, and if you don't want your edges wrapped, don't come to us. Our installers take a lot of pride in their work. We wrap every single edge. We make the work look invisible as much as possible. Now right here we have a little bit of a Tesla corner, if you will, not intentional, but this is getting a full body printed PPF wrap. It's going to be a gradient black in the back, white in the front. This is getting a full vinyl wrap, as you can see, color change to this gloss white aluminum, ceramic window tint, tail lights tinted, and ceramic coating. This one is getting a full vinyl wrap. I don't know the color. This has heavy overspray because the car was parked in the wrong place at the wrong time. So I'm going to remove the overspray and re-wrap it and wrap it. And then commercial wrap on this Tesla for my policy plug, Daniel Hall. It's an insurance agent, and full body PPF on the truck and that. Anyways, I gotta cut it short, guys. 1% battery. Thank you for watching. If you are in the market to get any of our services, give us a call. We're located at 7585 Commercial Way.